This is the Elite Compact Greenhouse. It is 4 foot 3 inches wide and is available in unlimited lengths. If you're looking for a greenhouse for a small space, then the Compact is perfect for you. It is ideal for small gardens, courtyards, terraces and urban living. For a compact greenhouse, it still has all the great features of the Elite range. With locking double doors, integral gutters, a roof vent, and an aluminium integral base. It's got everything you need. Shelving and staging can be added to fully utilise the greenhouse space, and a rainwater collection kit can be fitted too. The base allows you to put the greenhouse on a hard or soft surface. The double doors are lowered into the base, so there's no awkward step over going in or out of the greenhouse. This Compact has full sheet toughened safety glass and has been powder coated in graphite, one of our 11 Elite colour options. It comes complete with the Elite 10-year frame guarantee. For more information on the Compact or any of our other products, please call or visit our website.